Google has officially teased its upcoming Pixel 10 Pro, and the timing is perfect. The company's next big hardware event is set for August 20th, and even before that happens, we've already gotten a solid look at what's coming. This isn't. Based on leaks this time, Google itself released a teaser video confirming the Pixel 10 Pro's design and even offering a special discount through email sign-up. The teaser is short, just 13 seconds, but it gives fans a lot to talk about. It starts with the number 10 and then smoothly transforms into the familiar Pixel camera bar. This confirms the design of the Pixel 10 Pro, including a temperature sensor below the flash. This sensor isn't available on the regular Pixel 10, so it helps set the Pro model apart. Even though the video is brief, the phone's design stands out. It looks clean, modern, and not too different from last year's Pixel 9 Pro. The teaser shows a light-colored model, and people are already debating what color it is. Some believe it's the rumored frost color for the regular Pixel 10, while others think it's the moonstone shade meant for the Pro version. Either way, the metal sides and smooth finish give the phone a premium feel. Google has done this type of early reveal before. When leaks start gaining too much attention, they often step in with an official teaser to steer the conversation. The design changes this year are small, but it seems like Google is focused on maintaining interest and keeping people excited as the launch date gets closer. Now, let's talk about the email offer. Google is giving a special discount to people who sign up for marketing emails before August 18th at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time. You have to sign up using a Google account, and only new subscribers are eligible. Once you sign up, you'll get a code that can be used on the Google Store from August 20th to September 4th. There are some rules, though. The code works on just one eligible Pixel device. It won't work for buying accessories or subscriptions. You also need to be logged into your Google account and pay using Google Pay. Each person can only use one code, so no sharing or using it more than once. What's interesting is that this offer isn't just for the US. The teaser and the email sign-up deal have shown up on Google Store pages in several countries, which means this is likely a global promotion and not just something for North America. It's clear that Google wants to get people talking early. Instead of waiting until the last minute, they're using this teaser and promo code to build excitement and get users to visit the Google Store. It also helps them grow their email list and encourage more people to start using Google Pay. The teaser also confirms a few other things. The Pixel 10 Pro doesn't look completely new, it's more of an improvement than a full redesign. But that's not a bad thing. Google's design style has become more mature over the years and sticking with what works helps the Pixel brand stay recognizable. There are also reports about new color options and updates to Pixel accessories. All of this fits with the current build-up to launch day. Even though we don't have official specs yet, it's obvious that Google wants people to stay interested and keep checking back for more. There's still a lot we don't know, and we'll likely find out at the August 20th event, but this teaser gives us a pretty good look at what's coming. If you're a fan of the Pixel phones or thinking about upgrading, now is a great time to pay attention and maybe sign up to get that discount before it's gone. In the end, Google's strategy is clear. The early reveal and email offer help keep people engaged and give fans a good reason to follow along. With more news expected in the coming weeks, the Pixel 10 Pro is already creating a buzz and it's shaping up to be a solid addition to Google's smartphone lineup.